Item number 1, 4, and 5, my lord. There are certain defects in the petition, my lord. I may be allowed to withdraw with liberty to file a fresh, my lord.
Okay, Mr. R.S. Mishra, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that some inadvertent errors have crept in the writ petition. Therefore, petitioner wants to withdraw the writ petition with the liberty to file a fresh. Yes, Mr. H. M. Bhuya, Learned Counsel, representing the respondent Finance and Taxation Department, has
1, 4, and
submitted that there is no objection to the prayer. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Mishra, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, the petition is dismissed on withdrawal with the liberty to file a press. 1, 4, and
1, 4, and 5, my lord.
5.
Much obliged.
Much obliged, Lordship. Daily list for motion. Item 2.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I have filed this writ petition against the order passed by the Board of Revenue. Missing our The case is this, my lord, the 1 kata 5 acres of land was originally owned by one Azitullah Sheikh. And he has, after his death, his heirs were failed to pay the land revenue. The land was sold in Son of 1. It was purchased by the government itself. Then I preferred an appeal before the that sale was not known to us. Therefore, there was some delay. We preferred an appeal before the Board of Revenue. That appeal was dismissed by the Board of Revenue on the ground that the against that a writ petition was. In the writ petition, matter was referred to the Board of Revenue. After remand, dismissed my.
Will issue notice at this stage? Yes, Mr. Sardar, will issue. Hard, Mr. A.C. Sharma, Learned Senior Counsel, listed by Mr. Y. Ali, Learned Counsel for the Senior listed by Y. Ali for the petitioners. And Mr. P.J. Talder, Learned Senior Counsel, and Mr. Talder, you'll be representing. Okay. Standing Counsel Revenue, Z. Hajurika. Standing Counsel Revenue Department for Respondent 1, and Mr. B.J. Talukdar, Learned Senior Counsel, listed by Mr. P.K. Medhi, and Counsel for the Respondent number 2 and 3. Full stop. The instant writ petition is preferred. Assailing an order dated 8/4/2025, passed by the Assam Board of Revenue in case number 118 RA within bracket DBR/2002. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks as Ms. Hazarika and Medhi. The petitioner, extra copy, 2 working days. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4, 5, and 6.
4, 5, and 6.
I registered post within 2 working days from today.
I live.
And the name of the Land Standing Council Revenue Department is to be reflected in the respondent side in the call list.
Item 3.
Please, Your Lordship. Hearing the petitioners, there are 3 petitioners, Lordship. The petitioner 2 and 3 are the partners of petitioner number 1 firm, Lordship.
Yes.
The firm had a GST registration number, Lordship.
Cancelled or what?
It was cancelled in 2021, Lordship, for non-filing of returns. At that point in time, Lordship, and even subsequently, the email ID and phone number was of at that point, the tax advisor, Lord. So they did not come to know.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Gogoi, will issue notice that this is
Only
returnable,
notice.
then we'll dispose of.
May I just point out one aspect? The bank accounts of all the petitioners have been freezed. They have paid amounts till the date of cancellation. They have filed all the returns. But subsequent to the date of cancellation, they cannot file the returns because of the cancellation lodge. And now and up to the date of cancellation, they have paid all the GST also. I have annexed all the money receipts as well.
We will give
One
you 1
opportunity
week's
and-
time, my lord, 10 days time, I will have the inspection. It can be closed, my lord. It will be a covered issue otherwise, man.
But
Yes, only notice.
generally, normally we issue notice thereafter,
Yes, ma'am.
so that the other side cannot have any grievance.
Yes.
Okay. Heard Mr. S. D. Learned Counsel for the petitioners and Mr. B. Gogoi.
1 to 4.
Okay. You'll be receiving it as a standing counsel.
My lord.
Okay, learned standing counsel. Finance and Taxation Department. For all the respondents, full stop. The petitions have approached this court. Aggrieved inter alia by cancellation of their GST registration and also issuance of show cause notices under section
So,
74.
Demand notice.
Show cause notices under section 74 of the Assam Goods and Services Tax Act 2017. Issue notice returnable on 2 weeks or
8-5, ma'am.
2 weeks or better. Review
10-9.
8.
10-9. As
10-9.
so appear accepted notice, Mr. Gogoi, Alliance Training Council, Finance Taxation Department will obtain instructions in the matter to place it before the court on the next date of listing.
Much of
Item 6.
Yes,
You will find the improved, my lord, that are at page 35, my lord.
page 35.
My lord. This is translated copy, my lord, and vernacular is page 30.
What is this?
My lord,
Panchayat.
no, my lord, this is the municipal, Bipuria Municipal Board. My lord, by which, my lord, my allotment in room number 1 has been cancelled. And by this letter, my lord, I have been directed to vacate within 3 days, my lord. And the only ground they have shown that the room, which the.
What are the resolutions? 23-6. What are the resolutions?
There is no any resolutions, my lord.
No, you have assailed impugn resolutions, page 15. Page
I-
15.
Oh, sorry.
Your Lordship, kindly pass out a matter of time.
Item 7.
Sorry, my lord.
Hmm.
Page 35, my lord.
Page 35.
My lord. My lord, I have, my lord,
Paying your rent in your name in respective allotted in the first floor of market building number and be but it has been declared data. You are in possession.
yes, my lord, I am in possession.
Okay, status quo as in possession, as he has
My lord,
possession.
my lord.
Heard Mr. R. Sharma, then counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Talder, you'll be representing 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Mr. B.J. Talder, then senior counsel, tested by Mr. P.K. Medi for the respond number 1, 2, and 3. Full stop. The petitioner is aggrieved by the impugned letter impugned by the decision of the respondent Bipuria Municipal Board conveyed by letter dated 18/8/2025 within bracket annex 7, whereby a petition has been asked to vacate his allotted room number 1 in the first floor of the market building number 14 on the ground that the allotment or the petition has since been cancelled. Post of the reason for cancellation cited by the respondent municipal board is that the petitioner had divided room number 1 and has been was running business in the name of many members of his family. You should notice Mr. Sharma has submitted that the petitioner is still in possession of room number 1 till as on date. So you should notice returnable in 4 weeks. As Mr. Medhi learned counsel has appeared and accepted notice 1, 2, 3. Extra copy 3 working days. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice. The respondent number 4, 5, and 6 by registered post with ADA within 3 working days from today. Having regard to the position made that the petitioner is still in possession of room number 1 in main market building number 14 till date, as on date, comma, it is observed, comma, in the interim that the status quo as regards position of room number 1 as on date shall be maintained till the returnable.
I may be allowed to, my lord, make a representation before the authority because 3 days are holidays. 3 days are holidays. I may be allowed to make a representation before the authority because certified copy, my lord.
No, you'll get it, my dear. You'll get it.
Of like,
Item 8.
May I please? I am changing the order of Co-District Commissioner of Sonapur, my lord, which is at page 48.
Page 48.
Yes, ma'am. Order passed by the Co-District Commissioner of Sonapur, whereby he has observed that.
Let us read. Let us read.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Objector entered in agreement with para veterans, event of para, of purchase of 2 kotha of land in the same sheet. No, I'm not understood. What is this?
I am agreed only by few observations made in this order, my lord. First,
What is the background?
yes, my lord, I'll tell the, what had happened, my lord. The petitioner number 1, my lord. Petitioner number 2 had entered into an agreement for sale with the Pattadas, my lord. Agreement for sale is at.
Petition number 2.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Number 2 has.
With what?
Entered into.
For agreement for sale of land.
Sale of land, my lord.
With whom?
With, my lord, the respondent number 6 to 11. They are the Pattada of the scheduled land, my lord.
What is the scheduled land?
Scheduled land, my lord. Page 20, my lord, in my petition.
Page 20.
Yes, ma'am.
2 bigha.
2 bigha. Out of 2 bigha, my lord, I have the petition number 2 had entered into an agreement for sale of 1 bigha 4 katha 18 lesa, my lord.
One,
with 1 bigha,
1 bigha.
4 katha, 18 lecha, which is at page, my lord, the
So
agreement,
out of 2 bigha, what area remains?
my lord,
Suppose
only,
1 bigha gone.
yes, my lord.
Then remaining 1 bigha. Out of 1 bigha, 4 katha, 18 lessa.
Yeah, only 2 lecha, my lord.
Huh?
Yes,
2 lessa.
Yes,
What is the area of 2 lessa? Bigger than this room or
No, no, no.
less? How much?
all good.
How much?
But,
Almost the entire area.
yes, my lord.
Less to lesser. Right? Yes, thereafter.
What had happened, my lord, the agreement for sale is at page number 26, my lord. Then the agreement for sale is for consideration amount is for 10 lakhs, my lord. Out of 10 lakhs, page 26 is the agreement for sale.
This is agreement between whom?
Agreement between the petition number 2
And petition number,
petition number
respond number 6 to 11.
11, my lord.
For area,
For area 1 bigha,
4 katha, 18
4
less.
katha, 18 lecha, my lord.
Yes.
Then the consideration amount is 10 lakhs. Out of 10 lakhs, my lord, I have
We are not concerned with that.
Yes, yes. More than 50% amount paid, my lord. Thereafter, in order to protect further, my lord, the interest of the petitioner, my lord, petition number 2, the patters, my lord, 6 to, respond number 6 to 11 have entered as executed a registered general power of attorney in favor of petitioner number 1, who is the husband of the petitioner number 2, my lord. The general power of attorney is page number 33, my lord. Then, my lord, what had happened? Actually, at that point of time when the agreement was executed, some cases were going on, my lord. The arrangement was that the petition number 1 and 2 will bear all the expenses in those cases, and after settlement of the cases, my lord.
These are private.
Yes, sir, private dispute. Then the cases have gone, my lord. Now, when now the petitioners has come to know that the respondent, the patters, my lord, 6 to 7, 6 to 11, they are negotiating with some third party. Then accordingly, my lord, the petitioners have filed one civil suit, my lord, title suit, which is at 41, my lord. Page number 41, title suit for specific performance of contract of this agreement, my lord. Earlier agreement for sale, specific performance of agreement for sale, which was executed between petition number 2 and the patters. Then, my lord, after filing of notice were issued, my lord, this matter is on for SRWS, my lord, service suit. After filing of this suit, I file one objection petition, my lord, one online and other offline, my lord.
For what?
For not to issue any sale permission with respect to the suit property, my lord, before the authority. Then, my lord, I have been called for, my lord, objection petitions are there, my lord, page number 43 and 44.
Then,
My lord, page number, kindly have page number 46. I have been called for a hearing by the 4th District Commissioner, Sonapur. Respond number 3, my lord. Hearing date is, my lord, 18/6/2025. When we inquired, my lord, before hearing, we come to know that already another person, Prakash Kumar, which the name is reflected in the order, my lord, Prakash Kumar. He has also actually filed one objection petition with respect to some portion of land, my lord, 2 katha land, the same schedule, my lord. He also filed. Then the official said that since the authority, 4th District Commissioner is hearing the matter with respect to the same property, your matter will also be heard together. So accordingly, my lord, on 18/6/2025, a hearing was conducted. Then thereafter, my lord, what happened? Without deciding my petition with respect to the same property, the 4th District Commissioner has passed this page 48.
no, you fought it out in what capacity?
Sorry, my lord.
You are filing the petition for what, in what capacity?
The suit, my lord.
This is for what? Sale permission?
Sale permission.
Sale permission?
I filed
What
one
right you have? with an agreement for sale of land. If you file a suit,
Yes, my lord.
you go and get a restraining order from that court.
My lord,
What the co-district commissioner will do, there is no restraining order.
there is no restraint order. I mean, admittedly, there is no restraint
The
order. but I can-
seller is entering into different agreements. Is it not?
The
Who is this Prakash Kumar?
Prakash Kumar is another person, my lord.
Ah.
Prakash Kumar, actually, what had happened, the.
Let us read again the order
Yes.
again.
The
Objector so and so entered into an, what is this?
my lord,
Entered into an agreement with
Yes.
power of attorney Diganta Bora.
This is the petitioner number one, my lord.
Uh-huh.
The petitioner number one got registered power of attorney. He subsequently, after getting the power of attorney, he sold 2 kata of land to the Prakash Kumar. Prakash Kumar has also filed one suit, my lord, as per my.
Mr. Counsel, you said 2 bigha.
Yes, ma'am.
Then your wife entered into agreement for sale of land
Yes, ma'am.
for 1 bigha, 4 kata, 18 lessa, right? Then you also got power of attorney as a husband. Then as in the capacity of power of attorney, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You had entered into an agreement
Yes, ma'am.
with this Prakash Kumar, right?
Hello?
Is it not?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Because the order text of the order says,
Yes, ma'am.
objector Prakash Kumar entered into an agreement with power of attorney Sri Diganta Bora,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
For purchase of 2 kata land.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are the one of the parties
Yes, my lord.
Right?
The parties.
of land in the same schedule.
Yes, my lord.
The power of attorney document was checked, found valid.
Yes, ma'am.
As the dispute between the petitioner, who is the petitioner?
Petitioner is the, my lord, the objector, this Prakash Kumar, my lord. This order. has been
Objector is
passed-
Prakash Kumar
This order
and
has been passed-
petitioner might be Diganta Bora.
No, no, no. This order this order has been passed.
Now, how can you object once you have entered into an agreement
Yes, ma'am.
with that Prakash Kumar?
No, no, I am not objecting that, my lord.
What
What
then?
my grievance is, my lord, I have also filed one objection petition with respect to the scheduled property, my lord. Since Prakash Kumar has also filed another.
What is
objection
the dark number of that property?
With respect to same scheduled property, my lord, does Prakash Kumar,
If that land has 2 bighas, now you have entered into an agreement as a power of attorney for 2 kathas
yes, ma'am.
out of that.
Yes.
Meaning thereby, but you are not the owner of the land.
No, I am not owner of the land. Thus petitioner number one is the power of attorney holder. Petition number two had entered into agreement with the pattadar. What had happened, my lord? This Prakash Kumar has also filed one objection petition not to sell the two kata of land, the scheduled out of the scheduled property. Then I have also filed one objection petition, my lord. This order,
For what?
this order was for not to sell the scheduled plot of land. This order has been passed by the authority in the objection petition filed by the said Prakash Kumar. Now.
So you have no objection regarding
No,
Prakash
no,
Kumar?
Prakash Kumar, no objection. My only grievance is, my lord, that the observation made by the authority, my lord. That is point number 3. What, my lord? Kindly have first para, last line, my lord. He said that there is no ban in selling the remaining 1 bigha 3 kata of land by the pattadar. That is, my lord. In 1
Yes.
bigha 3 kata
No
land,
restraining order.
no restraining order.
No restraining order.
Yes, my lord. But the procedure is that, my lord. My humble submission, the procedure is that when we apply for sale permission, my lord, in online application, there we have to file one form 50, my lord, that there is no litigation is pending. Now, by way of this order, the my lord, authority, Fourth District Commissioner Sonapur, my lord, he has kindly have last line, my lord. The order. The matter is resolved. NOC for transfer of 1 bigha 3 kata land covered by Dag number so and so may be processed as per rule. He has directed to process for NOC, my lord. Now, my humble submission is that, my lord, since my petition is pending, whether whatever he reject, either
As per the
reject,
rule,
either he reject or, my lord, allow. But my petition, since my objection petition is also there pending with respect to the same
objection
property,
petition for what?
my lord,
Who is the man behind that you are objecting? You are party to it for 2 kathas. You have no objection for that.
I have no objection. My
Your objection against whom?
against the pattadar, my lord. The remaining, kindly see there is no.
You have
value-
already instituted a suit.
Yes, madam. I have already instituted a suit.
Huh.
My case is, my lord, my only two ground, my lord. My case.
Something is, something dubious going on.
Only ground is that, my lord. My ground is that.
You have no
since-
locus. If you are power of attorney for the owners itself, landowners,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes.
You are the power of attorney only.
Power of attorney.
Power of attorney represents the interest of the owners,
Yes, ma'am.
landowners,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
You are having power of attorney for whom? Your wife or the landowners?
The landowners. ma'am.
Landowners.
But my wife
Then
is-
landowners are selling
Yes, ma'am.
the land.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your locus then?
My locus is, my lord. Let me, my lord, kindly hear me.
We don't
Contact-
find any locus.
Petition number 1, my.
You
wife has
represent whom?
Entered,
Then you withdraw from the power of attorney.
my lord,
What kind of two pronged interest you have?
no, my lord,
You are representing
what did happen?
your wife also.
Yes, ma'am.
You are representing the landowners also. But as a power of attorney, you are power of attorney of holder of for whom?
The 6 to 11, man.
6 to
Yes,
11.
ma'am. But that,
And you, as a power of attorney,
yes, ma'am.
you want to object.
Well,
You
what
want to object
Yes, ma'am.
their desire.
Because,
So you are sailing against
no, because.
those
what had-
persons.
Kindly, my lord, what had happened, my lord? At the time of entering into the agreement for sale with my wife, my lord, the arrangement was that since the matter was some.
That is a dispute,
Yes,
that is a different thing.
I
You
have-
cannot assail if you are saying this
invested
order
Stop money.
as a
there.
power of attorney. No, we don't. That is a matter to be decided by a civil
So
court.
that's why, my lord.
But
I filed a title suit.
but Mr. Counsel, if you are representing the landowners
Yes, ma'am.
as power of attorney, right?
Yes, yes.
Then you have to be with the same page, not on a different page.
Now, my lord,
You have to be on the same page, Mr. Counsel. Cannot be on a different page. If your owner has the wish, your wish as a power of attorney cannot be different. Right?
yes, ma'am.
I don't know, you are representing your wife also and your sellers also. Then you withdraw from your position as a power of attorney, but you cannot be.
Now the relationship between,
That is we don't, that
Yes.
we don't know, that is to be decided by the court. But your representation as a power of attorney for the sellers cannot be different from the sellers. You are the power of attorney holder of the sellers.
yes, ma'am.
Let us see the power of attorney.
Power of attorney is, my lord, it's page 33.
And this is not the forum to agitate such general power of attorney. Respond number 6 to 11.
6 to 11.
You cannot be on a different page. Am I clear? If you want to be in a different page, not tuned with the sellers for whom you are holding the power of attorney, you hesitate before another forum, not before a forum in a public remedy petition.
My lord, if I may
Absolutely
complete-
not.
If I miss, my lord, my only grievance in,
I have heard enough.
my lord, my only grievance is that,
Are you a power of attorney for the sellers?
yes, yes,
Then
but now
no
my
question
relation
of
is not-
objecting to the sellers.
relation is not
You
good, my lord.
withdraw from here. This relation is private.
Yes,
Am I clear? The dispute, whatever monetary, whatever
Yes, sir.
private agreement, these are all private agreement,
private agreement.
right?
Yes.
So whatever dispute, you hesitate before a different forum. A power of attorney cannot be on a different page than the persons by whom the power has been given to you. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, where is that NOC for transfer of so-and-so covered by so-and-so? Maybe processed as by rule. Your dispute, you hesitate before another forum. This is not the forum. By power of attorney, you cannot
My lord, if I may submit one thing, madam. My only grievance here in this petition, my lord, that since the objection petition filed by petition number 2 is pending, and without deciding that petition.
Mr.
he has
Council,
order.
Mr. Council, your wife entered into an agreement for sale of land. Less than, they are the owners of 2 bighas.
2 bighas.
Less than 2 lesser,
Yes,
you entered, right? That is not finalized,
Oh, no.
not finalized. Only an agreement for sale of land. At the same time, you obtained, right, a power of attorney from the sellers,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes.
So you are representing whose cause? In a public remedy litigation? Are you with your wife or with the sellers?
My lord, the arrangement what was done previously.
We
my
do
lord, at
not
that
go
point
in
time,
behind such,
because my lord,
we do not lift the curtain,
but
right?
that is not,
Lifting down, no, we are not finding it anything.
that is not a subject matter.
We are not finding it anything.
But the thing is that, my lord,
Private cause. If I,
and another thing, my lord, my grievance is that, my lord, since litigation is pending, rightly or wrongly, my lord, this case may be dismissed tomorrow. The title suit, but one case is pending. And
while
when
before the
pro-
appellate authority,
when
this
the
is not-
process, my lord,
your reasoning for challenging this order is absolutely without any logic.
I am telling only that observations, my lord. That in spite of.
You should be happy.
Is, my lord, being
There is that other part is to be processed as per rule. You should be happy.
then, my lord, this petition number 2, the wife with
That is why I am asking, Mr. Council, with whom you are selling? You are representing your wife's interest here or as a power of attorney? Have you understood?
I understood, my lord, but
This collusion, connivance, this kind of private connivance collusion is not going to be entered in a writ petition. Yes, Mr. Many,
If they go for that civil suit.
he should get restraining order in the civil suit.
No.
If his interest is conflict, I am not understanding. His interest is conflicting with his
And
wife
my lord,
or
that
his
the
interest is
seller-
conflicting with the sellers.
Sellers.
And you are using re-jurisdiction.
jurisdiction only on these 2 grounds, ma'am.
Then if you say more, I'll impose cost.
No, no, my lord. My lord,
You
that-
better get restraint order from the civil court. But your position is dubious.
Because the arrangement was such that.
No, your position is itself dubious. Your head, who has instituted the title suit?
Court, my lord.
Then again, there are also again conflict of interest.
My lord, if I may say, my lord, without having any my lord, submission in this case, my lord, pertaining. Actually, what had happened, my lord? At that point of
No,
time-
that too, private thing, we are not, husband, wife, seller, purchaser, we are not going to it.
The seller is
Yes.
purchased, lordship, 1 bigha something. And my lord, that executed, my lord,
Something more than meets the eye.
power of attorney is given, my lord, entire 2 bigha left.
This is entirely private dispute.
But-
If you are agree by this, I am holding this. Alright, mister,
As does, my lord.
I am closing. No point. If this is your submission, heard Mr. S. Das, Land Council for the petition.
Maybe I may be allowed to. my lord.
Better sense prevails, better. First, you think yourself with whom you are selling. You are a conflict of interest with your wife as well as your seller. Land Council for the petitioner has submitted the petitioners want to withdraw their petition in order to avail appropriate remedy. Mr. P.R. Mohanto, Miss P.R. Mohanto, Revenue, Disaster Management 1. J. Hendik, State Council for Response number 2, 3, and 4. Who are in attendance, come and have admitted that they have no objection to the prayer for withdrawal in view of the submission made by Mr. Dassler, Council for the petitioners. The petition is dismissed on withdrawal, reserving the liberty to the petitioners to avail appropriate remedy under the law.
চলুন।
Item number 9.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
Here in this case, the grievance of the petitioner is that lordship, the initially, with regard to the GRAT compensation, the name of the petitioner was there. Subsequently, by raising objection by the respondent number 5 lordship, the impugn order. has
Is
been
he
passed.
relation?
Yes, lordship, the son and the mother lordship.
No, who are you?
I am the mother lordship.
Mother.
Yes, lordship.
And who are the petition number 2, 3, and 4?
They are all sons lordship.
Your son.
Yes, lordship. And the
Yes.
private respondent is also the other son lordship.
Another son.
Yes, lordship.
And what happened?
Now, the first annexure lordship is at page number 20. Page
Page
number
number
20
20.
lordship, addressing to the petitioner number 1. You are hereby informed that the below scheduled land has been acquired as per the National Highway Land Act 1956 for expansion of full line National Highway number 17. You are therefore asked to submit certificate of handing over possession of the land to the circle officer of the local revenue circle along with other relevant papers, documents such as indemnity, and all these things are there. Now, in this next page, lordship, the specific pattern number and DAG number is there. Pattern number 81 and DAG number 141.
Mr. Chaudhary, just I'm putting a query.
Yes, lordship.
This is an order by whom?
By the district commissioner, lordship, the last page.
It is basically not district commissioner. He is competent authority land acquisition.
Yes, lordship.
Right?
Yes.
But he is a central government authority. So as per, I think it is National Highway Act. So if you read National Highway Act, what is there? Who is the authority? If there is
Then I'll-
dispute between,
Yes.
what is?
Yes, that I know, lordship, but the present
Then why
difficulty,
will that?
no, the present difficulty is that lordship, this, I have submitted
You
my
have a
objection
good case for a stay.
because
That
the-
authority can have a stay. I think 3,
power is there.
no, power is no, it is he is the authority.
Yes,
I think he is the authority. 3H,
yes,
subsection 3 and 4. Principal Civil Code of Original Jurisdiction.
original.
If any dispute arises as to the apportionment of the amount or any part thereof, or to any person to whom the same or any part thereof is payable,
Yes,
even 3, he has done it under subsection 3.
yes.
Now, next step is subsection 4.
That option is there, lordship. I was.
Options,
Yes.
no, that is a statutory
But the
remedy,
di-
sir.
But the difficulty
That
is
is
that
the
lordship-
statutory
but the
remedy.
difficulty is the civil process, lordship. I have.
No, no, no,
Yes.
that cannot be obviated. That court can immediately stay disbursement,
Then lordship, I am not pressing it.
because that,
Yes.
that
Yes,
is there. If you can satisfy prima facie, definitely that will stay disbursement, because that will be state, and he can best well determine. Will not observe much.
I-
He will
like,
be-
you can- they are sure-
observe,
Yes,
will
Lord.
observe that as the remedy under
Yes, lordship.
subsection 4 of section 8. Yes, Mr. Because he is Kala.
Kala is a father owner. Any grievance, they can go for the.
That is a. And you have a privacy case.
Yes, no.
Well, then lordship
You
last.
don't think that the district judge will not exercise his.
And
ju-
the order.
discretion.
Immediate relief, the
Don't,
apprehension of
don't,
immediate relief was
don't
there,
think
lordship.
that, don't think that the district judge will not exercise his judicial discretion. If mother and his sons are approaching
Yes, sir.
against one son,
Once.
Not district judge. Because writ petition is different, right, Mr. SP Ghosh, sorry, SP Chaudhary. Land Council for the petitioners. And Mr. J. Hendrick,
I'm for 2, 3, and 4.
and Mr. S. Dr. and Standing Council. Revenue Department for respondent number 1, and Mr. J. Hendrick, Land State Council for the respondent number 2, 3, and 4.
And
Post of in this writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, comma, an order passed by the respondent number 3 in his capacity as competent authority land acquisition appointed under section 3 small a bracket of the National Authority, National Highways Act 1956 has been put to challenge. Post of the petitioners are claimants for compensation. And by the order, impugn order dated 27/6/2025, Akala has determined the respondent number 5 to be entitled to receive Zirat compensation. Where is that impugn part?
Lordship, the last 3 lines.
Uh,
And then, Mr. page 49.
decided
Page
release
50 is the is hereby to decided it is to release the claim of Jirat compensation as per the report of the Boko Revenue Service.
Huh? Where is your
Card
brother?
number
Respondent
141,
number 5,
Lordship.
Pranab Kolita.
Yes.
Let us read the entire page.
Yes, Lordship.
50.
Hence
Consider
consider
above a records and recent reports of so and so along. Consider that as yet released. Okay.
basically with regard to the
By the impugn order,
yes, Lordship, page number
comma, the Kala has determined that Zirat compensation payment for a parcel of land, comma, covered by DAG number 141 and Patta number 81, comma, situate at village Borpeta, Boko Revenue Circle, may be released in favor of the respondent number 5 as per due process. Full stop. The petitioner number 1 is the mother, and the petition number 2, 3, and 4 are the brothers of the respondent number 5. Full stop. Para. As the Kala has as per subsection 3 of section 3H of the National Highways Act 1956, where several persons claim to be interested in the amount, compensation amount, the competent authority, the Kala, can determine the persons who in its opinion are entitled to receive the amount payable to each of them. Close stop. Subsection 4 of section 3H of the National Highways Act 1956 has provided that liquidivo. The petitioners have in the above in the fact situation obtained in the case, comma, this court is of the unhesitant view that the petitioners have a statutory remedy under the National Highways Act. If they are aggrieved by the order dated 27/6/2025, passed by the Kala. Full stop. In view of availability of such statutory remedy, comma, the instant writ petition is not preferred entered in, reserving the liberty to the petitioners to avail the statutory remedy.
Till that period. Till that period.
You go, file tomorrow. Your brother and son only.
Yes, Lord.
Timing matter, item 6.
Your Lordship. My lord, the petitioners are the elected Gaon Panchayat member, Lordship. And what was happened, Lordship, after the last Panchayat election, Lordship, there is a notification issued by the District Commissioner Hailakandi, Lordship, which was widely circulated, fixing 23/6 as the first meeting of the GP, Lordship. And the agenda was, Lordship, first agenda, oath of affirmation, second, election of president concerned, third, election of vice president, then miscellaneous. Then on 23/6, Lordship, the petitioners along with other two members, Lordship, total 6 Gaon Panchayat member appeared into the venue, Lordship. But the Lordship, learned nominated officer, Lordship, he held that as per section 18(1), the quorum was not fulfilled. But the 18(1) said, Lordship, 1/3 is the quorum, 1/3 of total members. So 1/3 would be 3.33, next higher integer 4, Lordship.
How many members in the Gaon Panchayat?
Total 10 members, Lordship.
10 members.
Yes, Lordship. So
And it was widely circulated
widely circulated,
for
Lordship.
the first meeting.
Oh, paper as well as, Lordship, because
Okay.
for all the Gaon Panchayats,
So
Lordship.
on 23/6, how many appeared?
6 appeared.
6 appeared.
Yes, sir.
Then what happened?
Then, Lordship, on 6, it was held that the quorum was not fulfilled
Okay.
illegally,
Then
and it was adjourned.
adjourn.
Then, Lordship, subsequently, without any notice, without any intimation to the petitioners therein, the learned nominated officer, Lordship, on 3/7/2025, Lordship, held the adjourned meeting
Hmm.
and elected respondent number 7 and 8 as president, as vice president, and the petitioner is are totally on dark, Lordship. Even they are not allowed to take oath also.
You are
This is
not
my
happy with respondent number 7 and 8.
Yes, Lord. They were elected because earlier they were absent in the wide circulating notice, Lordship. But subsequently, suddenly, without any intimation to us, Lordship, that meeting was held, and in absence of us, the board was constituted. That is
Okay,
our
get the records.
My lord, may I correct one thing, my lord? Actually, 18, section 18, if lordship have the new book, my lord. I think it's amended, my lord.
Amended.
New book. একদম নতুনকে এখন ওলাইছে। Maybe I think is there in that book also. Lordship may kindly have section 18 of the act.
Okay. 18.
Yes.
Quorum.
Yes, this is a quorum of the meeting of Gaon Panchayat, my lord. This is a general, my lord, not for the first meeting.
Hmm.
Now, lordship may kindly come to the rule, my lord.
The rule. Constitution rules.
Constitution rules, my lord.
Okay.
Rule 46.
What is? Forty-six.
Yeah.
Yes.
May I read, my lord?
Hmm.
This is starts with election of president and vice president of Gaon Panchayat.
Hmm.
The deputy commissioner or the subdivisional officer, as the case may be, shall call the first meeting of a Gaon Panchayat under clause B of subsection 1 of the section 6 of the act by fixing a date and causing a written notice specifying the date so and so, so and so, so and so, Lordship may kindly come to clause 3. If 1/3 or more of the total number of members called to the meeting under sub-rule 1 are not present within that 1 hour. That means, my lord, on that day 6 were present, 4 were absent. So on that day, that was correct, my lord. And only they have, a petitioner may have a good case if on the second date, the notice has not served. So for that, my lord, so that may be fixed, my deputy district commissioner can have that.
What I intend to.
Yes, 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 ma'am. But first part I have to clarify, my lord. Section 18 is not covered under this. That is why, my lord. Section 8 is for general meeting. My lord.
The meeting was adjourned under section 18(1).
That was not correct, maybe, my lord. Yes.
Quoting wrong provision, but
Yes,
if
yes.
other power is otherwise available.
Yes, yes,
Quoting wrong provision is different thing.
yes.
Okay. Which are which is you are impugning?
Lordship, that resolution page 33,
Page?
Lordship, that 37,
37, right?
37.
Where is that?
2025 Resolution.
Page.
Page 33, Lordship.
You are elected members.
We are the elected members.
How
And-
many are here? 4.
We are 4 here.
Okay.
And one more submission, my lord. Sorry, my lord. Section 11 of the act is saying, my lord, any dispute relating to the validity of the election of the president or vice president is the jurisdiction is for the deputy commissioner or district commissioner.
We have
That is already-
filed representation before the deputy, but he had not taken any action.
So lordship can remind
can-
the
I can,
deputy commissioner. Giving
we
it-
can dispose of.
Yes.
That matter may be, because we have
To
already.
take up, to take up the representation on board and to thereafter
Yes.
hearing both the
Map.
sides.
Yes, yes. that
And
can-
other stakeholders, means
That can be.
who are involved in the process,
It is.
like say a sub-division officer, cycle officer, who was the nominated officer.
Yes.
They
Section
can
11.
decide then, section,
11
let
of
us
the act.
have a look at section 11.
My lord.
Thereafter, if you are still agree, you have the option of,
Yes.
Yes.
here only Mr. Borbuya will be available. There all 4 will be there,
Yes.
along with Mr. Borbuya also. Okay, you have already preferred.
Yes.
Lord.
Page 38.
Yes, Mr. Talda,
That is.
Deputy Commission.
Page 38 and 42 represent.
Seven and 8 are not there. So they should be also put to notice before hearing by the Deputy
Yes,
Commissioner.
yes, yes. All the
And
parties.
all
All
the
the
members,
members.
all the members,
Yes.
that will observe.
Yes,
Then I think they cannot have grievance.
Yes, ma'am.
Other 6 members cannot have grievance then.
My lord.
Okay. Third, Mr. N.H. Borbuyan. Oh, sorry, Borbuyan, Land Council for the petitioners. Mr. S. Dotto, Land Standing Council, Panchayat and Rural Development Department, for the respondent number 1,
1, 2, 5, and 6.
5, and 6. And Mr. B.J. Taludar, Land Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. P.K. Medhi, Land Council, for the respondent number 3 and 4. Poster. Para. The petitioners, foreign number, have joined together to institute the instant repetition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India to assail a resolution, 2 resolutions, dated 23/6/2025 and dated 3/7/2025. Taken. Adopted. Purportedly, in the first meeting of Madhavpur, first meeting and the adjourned meeting.
Adjournment.
respectively of the Madhavpur, Rampur, Gaon Panchayat, District Hailakandi. Full stop. Para. The petitioners, all the petitioners are elected members of so and so Gaon Panchayat. In the after the general panchayat election held in the year 2025.
25.
Full stop. After the election, comma, the response number 3 by a notice dated 11/6/2025 notified the time and date of the first meeting of different Gaon Panchayats of Hailakandi district, including Madhavpur, Rampur, Gaon Panchayat. Full stop. In the notice, the agendas were mentioned. One of the agenda where is the notice? Where is the notice?
Page 26, Lordship.
The agendas were page 26, 1, 2, 3, 4, miss. Para. In the notice, comma, the block headquarters was mentioned as a venue for the first meeting, right?
Yes, sir.
And an assistant commissioner was nominated to attend and hold the first meeting of the ward members of the Gaon Panchayats. Full stop. Para. It is contended on behalf of the petitioner that the date, time and date of the first meeting was first meeting for so and so Gaon Panchayat was at 11 a.m.
At 11 a.m.
on 23/6/2025. And on and for that first meeting, comma, 6 number of ward members of so and so Gaon Panchayat were present at the time and venue. And as such, there was no impediment to carry out the agendas. So, but the nominated authority purportedly stating that there was no quorum to hold the first meeting, adjourned it, full stop. It is the further contention of the petitioners that the next meeting was held on
On 3/7/2025.
3/7/2025 25 without giving any notice to the ward members, more particularly the petitioners. Full stop. In the meeting stated to be held on 3/7/2025, the petitioners were not present
6 members were present.
in view of non-receipt of any information to that regard. Full stop. There are 2 other members, ward members were also not present.
No,
Or how
Lordship.
many? The meeting was shown to be held
Don't do it.
in presence of 6 ward members of so-and-so Gaon Panchayat. And
Including
in
the
that
petition.
meeting, in a resolution stated to have been taken in that meeting, the respondent number 7 and 8 have been shown elected as the president and vice president respectively of so-and-so Gaon Panchayat. Full stop. Agreed by the resolutions taken on 23/6/2025 and 3/7/2025. In the aforestated manner, the petitioners have approached this court by the instant repetition. Full stop. Para. Mr. Dr. Lanet, signing off. Panchayat and Rural Development Department has submitted that any dispute relating to the validity of election of the president and the vice president of a Gaon Panchayat under the Assam Panchayat Act, 1994 as amended, can be decided by the deputy commissioner. Full stop. That is the respondent number 3. Respondent number 3. Full stop. He has further pointed out that the petitioners have already submitted a representation before the respondent number 3 on 17/7/2025.
4/7 and 17/7, 2
Okay.
represent.
Have already submitted 2 representations. Has further highlighted that according to the petitioners, they have already submitted 2 representations before the respondent number 3 on 4/7/2025 and 17/7/2025. Full stop. Para. In response, Mr. Borhuya, Council Board petitioner has submitted that though the petitioners have submitted the representations before the respondent number 3 on those dates, the respondent number 3 has not taken any decision on it and has neither put the petitioners on notice for any hearing, nor the petitioners have been intimated about in addition taken on those representations. Also, where Mr. Talukdar and counsel, senior counsel appearing representing the respondent, he has submitted that if the representations on behalf of the petitioners are pending, then the respondent number 3 can be directed to take those representations forward and thereafter decide, and thereafter to decide them after hearing the stakeholders. Stop. Para. Section 11 of the Assam Panchayat Act 1994 has prescribed that any dispute relating to the validity of the election of the president and the vice president of the Gaon Panchayat under the Assam Panchayat Act shall be decided by the Deputy Commissioner. Stop. Para. The dispute raised in this petition by these petitioners is regarding validity of the election of the respondent number 7 and the respondent number 8 as the president and vice president of so-and-so Gaon Panchayat. And the grounds urged as regards their, as regards the validity have already been briefly narrated above. Full stop. Since the deputy, respondent number 3 has the authority and jurisdiction to decide on any dispute relating to the validity of the election of the respondent number 7 and the respondent number 8 hearing. And it is stated at that the petitioners have already submitted 2 representations before him on 4/7/2025 and 17/7/2025, which have already been acknowledged, the receipt of which have already been acknowledged by his office. This court is of the considered view that instead of keeping this petition pending, the petition can be disposed of with a direction to the respondent number 3 to take the said 2 representations, submitted by the petitioners, on board, and to decide and to take a decision on it. To stop. It is accordingly ordered. To stop. It is further observed that before taking any decision on the said 2 representation, the opportunity of hearing should be afforded to the stakeholders, to the stakeholders, more particularly, the petitioners and all the other ward members of so-and-so Gaon Panchayat and concerned authority who was nominated to hold the meetings on so-and-so and so-and-so. Also, by serving them due notices, serving them notice. Also, after hearing the respondent number 3 is further directed to dispose of the representative, decide on the validity of the election of the president and the vice president of so-and-so Gaon Panchayat by passing a speaking order. To stop the entire exercise is to be completed as expeditiously as possible, preferably but within but not later than a period of notice
1 month.
6 weeks from the date of submission, a certified copy of this order at the office of the respondent number 3 by the petition.
My lord, one request, my lord, as the one of the contention of the petitioner that the quorum was not there, my lord, that my submission may be recorded in initially, my lord, that rule 46 will be applicable.
The learned counsel for the parties have hesitated on the point of presence of quorum or lack of quorum in the first meeting and the adjourned meeting. But this court is of the view that such contentions can be decided by the respondent number 3 on the basis of the records of the proceedings of those meetings.
My lord.
I think then he will adhere to those records.
My lord.
My lord, one little more lordship, that in the, perhaps in the caused list lordship, that was showing that Sri lordship, 3 Empton there. But that might be Timothy lordship in all the.
Which one? Cause list.
In the caused list lordship, perhaps in the computer lordship, that was entered as a Sri lordship. But she is a lady lordship, the petition number 1.
Sri.
Sri was mentioned lordship. But she is the lady lord. Timothy
হেৰি পৰা লিখি দিব এই ইয়াতে শ্ৰীমতী আছে কষ্টাইলৰ শ্ৰীমতী আছে হা মিতন দেৱ
Empton lordship. M-double-T-O-N.
Oh, different kind of name.
Yes.
I was just learned that it's an MTTON.
Yes, I thought that Miton.
I also, my lord.
It could have been Maton also.
All right. I know, Lasman.
Item number 10 for orders.
Yes, sir, we will issue notice, subject to.
Yes, on the last occasion, Lordship
I-
has
I
made
thought,
a
yes.
pointed
Today also in the division bench, we will come across review with an application for consummation of delay. I don't know what is the correct process. I put it to you.
under I'm 45 with a apex court decision. We say that my lord, under Article 215, High Court has the inherent power of review. So, my lord, albeit my lord, so far as going for correction of records. And my lord, for error.
But this is
apparent-
not correction of records.
But error apparent on face of the record may also be corrected, my lord. My lord, I would be referring my lord to paragraph 14 and 16. And 17, in 17, my lord, it has been clearly held,
In a matter like this,
my lord, because
in a
here,
matter like this,
yes, because here, my lord, what we are, my lord, agitating here is that, my lord, of course, my lord, on the concession given by the councils for the state, my lord, Lordship has passed that order. And in our review petition, we have taken a categorical stand, my lord, that they were not authorized to give that concession. To that extent, my, because admittedly, my lord, state has not filed any counter, my lord, in the writ proceedings. And on the instructions, my lord, and concessions given by the state councils, my lord has passed that order. Only to that extent.
no, this is the plenary power. This is okay. Apparent error. But question is about, I asked the question about the period of limitation.
Period of limitation, my lord, since it is under 215, for a moment, the my lord, paragraph 17, my lord, for my satisfaction. Paragraph 17.
But this is having the power.
Power of review.
The
Now,
High Court has been reminded that you are a court of record, you have the power to correct. Now the question I am asking is slightly different.
Sir, it is of limitation. Lordship is absolutely correct. My lord, had I
Slightly
filed
different.
this-
If we doubt our power, Supreme Court has reminded
No.
the
I-
High Court that you are a court of record, you have
Yes.
power to
Yes.
do so. But
Absolutely.
question is, what I am asking is that
Why not, my lord, the delay that has occasioned in filing this review petition
yes,
has to be explained by way of a filing of a, my lord, delay
whether
from the-
it is a necessity or not,
my lord, in my
that
understanding.
is, no, from here it is not.
From here it is.
There
not,
will
my-
be innumerable authority on it.
I have even charged, my lord, but I haven't got any, my lord, to that extent, my lord, whether under a review, in a review petition under Article 215, whether, my lord, it is circumscribed by, my lord, the vice of limitation.
So moto High Court can,
Absolutely.
but at the instance of a party, Here is a case review, the instance of a party,
Sense of a party.
right? And for that, whether, that is what that
Because-
short question I asked.
Absolutely, Lordship. In fact, I had worked
Let
on
us
it.
also learn.
Yes, my lord. I had
I have
worked
no
on
the,
it,
hesitation in learning,
my lord. Absolutely.
but inferring something, because this is a point which is very easy, I think, to find.
No, absolutely. Because Lordship, my argument will be.
Inferring, yes,
Yes, my submission will be limitation the creation of statute. Now, if I file a review petition under order 47 rule 1, then my lord, I will have.
because all this while, whatever review, that 226 power is akin to order 47 rule 1, read with section 114. Right, all judgments you see, akin to.
Akin to. Now, here is a case where I have filed this review application under article 215. It's not under 226. So, my lord, my humble submission at this stage will be, my lord, since my lord, the Limitation Act prescribes for filing review petition within a definite timeline. So far as my lord, review petition, meaning thereby a regular review petition under order 47 rule 1. Now, here is a case, my lord, where I have not invoked, my lord, the provisions of order 47 rule 1. Rather, I have chosen to invoke, my lord, 215. So therefore, in my humble submission, my lord, having filed a petition under 215, my lord, the vice of limitation, my lord, rigors. will
Then
not
I
be
have to
attracted.
satisfy myself
Yes,
initially
yes,
also.
yes, absolutely.
And I thought that I put it to you, now you are raising a point of law. Now that to proceed to the next stage, I also have to say,
Absolutely.
be satisfied. Otherwise I have no
No,
issue in correcting the order.
absolutely.
But
Because-
question is, since you are raising a point of law, and that too constitutional. So unless I convince myself,
I will have to persuade my lord that lordship has the jurisdiction under 2.5, my, albeit limitation, of course.
sorry, constitution. Or limitation of consent. Is there any issue of delay has been discussed in this judgment, MM Thomas?
No, my lord.
Huh? What is the background?
Background, my lord, it was there, my lord.
Noted in this
It
bill
was
by
arisen, my lord,
point by.
order passed by the tribunal, my lord.
First is whether the power to review a decision rendered under the same so would have been like. So, but specifies. Okay, Mr. Bosproject, since I think I'll be sitting in civil side, so we can put it. I can, since I'll be sitting in civil side from next Monday onwards, so we can put it on another date to examine this, your issue.
Even, my lord, I will also.
Interesting one.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Because 215, otherwise, my lord, we are escaping from the rigors.
Okay,
That's what.
our Bosproject. Next Friday? Next Friday?
My lord.
Next Friday?
Yes, next Friday, my lord, absolutely.
We'll look into it.
Fine.
Item 11,
I'm so obliged.
Item 11. Yes,
Sir, your lordship would see order dated 6/8, but
6/8, petitioner to take steps.
we have
For
to find
issuance
out
of
the
4 and
address.
5.
first.
Steps are to be taken. Steps are taken, extradition notice by way of report, which you can release the 6. Yes, taken,
No, my lord, what has
not
happened?
taken.
The petitioner here is a 78, 9 years old person, Lord. He's been having got operated, had multiple problems. He, through his person, tried to locate the address. He found out that the people are not there. And one information has been received that the lady, respondent number, Lord, the mother probably has also been expired. And respondent number 4 has left the place. But I'll be seeking 2 more weeks time, Lord.
4 and 5, okay.
Yes.
Mr. Dubey and R. Dubey and Constable petition submitted that from the instructions received by him, it appears that who expired?
Lord, respondent number 5. Not the exact information, but
From the,
may have.
it appears, I have said,
Yes, yes.
I have said it appears the respondent number 5 might have expired. And he would also need further time to obtain the address of the respondent number 4.
Yes.
Postal. As sought for by Mr. Dubey, list the case after 2. On a date to be fixed by the office.
item 12,
Orders.
May I please, my lord? All the
Yes.
respondents are directed to file their affidavit, my lord.
Okay. Filed or not filed?
Lord, in fact, here, the issue is very limited. While issuing notice, my lord, this honorable court directed the registrar of the cooperative societies to decide in respect of the disqualification of the private respondents. Now, my lord, in fact, what had happened,
They
the
are who?
registrar sought it proper to obtain, my lord, a view from the Reserve Bank. Now, that Reserve Bank opinion is available with the registrar. So therefore, my lord, in terms of the order passed by this honorable court while issuing notice, my lord, this writ petition perhaps can be disposed of, asking the registrar, my lord, to pass that order within a, my lord, prescribed time limit, 3 weeks or 2 weeks or
What do you
whatsoever.
say?
Not at my instance, my lord.
Huh?
Not at my instance, my lord.
Take your instruction.
Yes.
Or we'll put it on Wednesday.
My lord.
When is it?
Yes.
Till then, my lord, interim may be continued, my lord.
Lordship
Right.
will make an observation, my lord, that to that extent, my lord, the writ petition can be closed, my lord.
No, we'll not observe that.
My lord?
We'll not
Oh,
observe.
my
that.
lord, my lord.
You are enjoying interim order.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let it be till Wednesday. Thereafter
Till
we'll
Wednesday.
No,
decide.
interim order may be continued. I have no objection, but he will.
Let him
obtain-
take instruction.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Obtain instruction in that respect, my lord, with regard to the
Yes,
closure.
You have understood?
Yes, my lord.
Heard, Mr.
Be that, my lord.
B. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Talder, you are for respondent number 1.
I'm, my lord, for,
SK Talder.
yes,
Learned Standing Counsel. Corporation Department for respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4.
my lord.
5 and 6, Miss Das, as Das, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 5 and 6. Okay, Mr. Hazurika, you're for? Das, you are for 5, 6, and 7. It's 7. And Mr. P. Hazurika, Learned Counsel for the respondent number
23 and
20. Who are 20? Where is that?
they were implicated.
Correct, Corina is Corina. And respond number 20. 23 and 24. Okay. List the case on Wednesday to enable the council for the parties to complete their instructions. List the interim order passed earlier.
27. 27.
Obliged.